The biggest vaccination site in Calgary is set to open at the Telus Convention Centre in just a few weeks' time. Crystal Ajaris joins us live with more on this development. Crystal.
Tara, Alberta Health Services says this site can administer up to 5,000 doses per day, but that all depends on how vaccine shipments and if they're still rolling in.
It's going to allow us to get a lot of vaccination into the arms of Albertans.
The site will have about 100 vaccination stations and will be available through pre-booking for appointments starting April 5th and can expand as long as deliveries are on track.
We know that for April 5th, we'll be starting probably with a little less than the 120 sites, maybe closer to 50 to 75 stations. But then from there, again, dependent on vaccine delivery, scale that up to 120 stations.
The partnership with the City of Calgary and the Telus Convention Centre makes this the 25th immunization site in the Calgary zone. The Genesis Centre site in the northeast opened last Thursday.
But if we get lots of vaccines, everyone is interested in getting those in arms as quickly as possible. So the Genesis Centre has the possibility to go to 5 times its current size. And the Telus Convention Centre at full capacity is 10 times the size of the Genesis Centre. So we'll be ready.
The city is coordinating free parking around Telus, and AHS says the central location with nearby transit was picked because it's easily accessible. But staffing is a recurring issue.
Getting the staff to be able to administer the vaccination has been a heavy lifting piece for us. We've been able to secure 750 casual staff, along with a number of full-time and part-time lines to be able to secure this.
Canada is expected to get a flood of vaccines starting next Monday, but the mayor is reminding people to be cautious.
Let's not get spring fever now. We're so close, the light is flooding the tunnel, but we're still in the tunnel. So do not get your vaccination and your first vaccination and rip off your mask and go dancing down the street. We're not quite there yet.
Alberta just expanded into Phase 2A today with about 8,000 people booking their appointments for that extended eligibility for those born between 1947 to 56 and for Indigenous peoples born 1971 or earlier. To date, the province has administered more than 368,000 shots. Reporting live from the Telus Convention Centre, Crystal Ajaris, City News.